So this summer I had this cool idea to make an iPhone game, or a mobile game, I guess, just kind of about my life, really, as an entrepreneur and maker. So I'm going to show you that now. So basically, the gist of it here is you start out in the basement and you can buy 3D printers. Let's pick the Enduro 4. It only prints with PLA. And here you get jobs, and we are going to print this little benchy here. Get paid $20. So select the benchy. Once that's done, you just tap to collect. It goes into your inventory, and then you hit orders, and we're going to complete it. Now you can start on the next thing.